All right, today I got another package and we're gonna open this up. I think this is gonna be the center rack that goes right here for the CT125. So we're gonna get this opened up, see what we got, and we'll get this thing installed and show you how to do it and let you know what we think of the product itself. So stay tuned. If you haven't yet, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit that bell for notifications, and check us out at Instagram at ManCave_Mayhem. Now let's get on with the video. All right, there it is. There she is, the Moto Skill center rack for the CT125. Let's get this baby installed. All right, the tools you'll need for this project is a flashlight maybe, I don't know, 5mm hex head wrench, 6mm hex head wrench, and my favorite stuff, blue Loctite. Nice little Moto Skill sticker too. That's all you're gonna need for this project. It's a pretty simple project. Of course, you get the rack, the Moto Skill rack. You're gonna get 2 large spacers, a smaller spacer, a small Allen head bolt, lock washer, and 2 longer Allen head bolts, and then these end caps. Probably, I'm guessing these cover up the Allen bolts on the ends. So let's get this thing installed. Looks like it'll be a pretty simple install. Let's get to it. Okay, what you're gonna wanna do is carefully place the rack there. You might even wanna put a rag underneath this for now, just so you're not going to be banging everything up, because it is going to scratch stuff up if you're not careful, and I kind of don't want to do that on my new bike. So I got that rested there, and first thing we're going to want to do is we're going to want to get to these bolts right here. Okay, there's 3 bolts we're going to want to focus on. First one is going to be the one right here, and that's going to be a number 6 Allen. So we're going to go after that first. Break that loose. And there's one on each side. So once you got that out, you go around to the other side and do the same thing on the other side. Once you get that done, you're gonna want to get your 5mm Allen key. I said number 6 over here, but 6mm. You're gonna want to take your 5mm Allen key and take this bolt out. So let's get that done next. Not quite sure if I'm supposed to, but I'm going to leave this washer in here. Then what we're going to want to do is we're going to want to take the shorter of the 3 spacers, put that there. And then we're going to move over to here, and we're going to slip the next spacer in right there. And we're going to repeat that on the other side. Once you do that, you're going to want to carefully, and I do mean carefully, place this Moto Skill rack in the right location. And the way I found is the easiest way is to feed it down like this, so you're not banging things up. And just slowly work your way to that spacer. And just let them rest on the spacers. The top ones probably aren't going to rest there. Then you're going to take your 2 long Allen bolts, and you're going to place the 2 long Allen bolts with some Loctite, just some blue Loctite, because it makes you feel warm and fuzzy. Put it on there, and let's loose fit that. All right, now that we got those 2 front bolts loosely fitted, we're going to take the washer and the last bolt, and we're going to put some Loctite on that, and then we're going to loosely fit that to the center, like so. You're going to probably have to finagle that and get it lined up. Once that lines up and you start getting it threaded in, you may have to hunt around for that to find the right spot. You get that threaded in, and then we're going to tighten all those bolts up. Snug. Now once we've got it all secure, and you know she's tight, then we're going to put the finishing touches on it. We're going to come in with the plugs on both sides, and just pop these plugs in right here. I call them beauty plugs, whatever you want to call them. But they're made to cover up that chrome, and they do look nice. Then repeat the process on the other side. All right, that's gonna rack it up. I said rack it up. That's gonna wrap it up. Get it? Rack it up. That's gonna wrap it up for this video. What do I think of the Moto Skill rack? I think it's really nice. It's a satin finish, almost a wrinkle finish kind of look to it. It's solid. I think what's really neat about it is it kind of protects this area from scratches and stuff when you're swinging your leg over. You got plenty of area to stack stuff or you know, a lot of room to store things when you're hauling. Even on quick little trips, you can throw something right there and not worry about getting something scratched up on your bike. It's on the bike itself, so it's kind of neat. The only negative thing I would say is when you have to access your battery, it's just an extra step to get to the battery compartment. Kind of a hokey location for the battery anyhow. But good thing about these bikes is you can start them without the battery, so that's not necessarily a bad thing. So overall, I give that Moto Skill rack a 2 thumbs up. It's a great looking rack. If you haven't yet, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit that bell for notifications, hit me up for questions. Don't forget to check us out on Instagram at ManCave_Mayhem. And just remember, folks, I'm just a man in a cave causing mayhem. Thanks again for watching.